So we have the package here that's supposed to have all the silver in it. I mean, I'm gonna have to block that off, doesn't matter. But let's open it up, see if it, I mean, on the USPS, like the app, said that it was gonna be 30 pounds, and this one only weighs like 10, but you can hear the silver in it, so I don't know. Let's figure this out. Okay, so I don't know if this is all of it. I don't know if it's coming in like 2 different shipments or something, but let's I don't think there's anything in there. I mean, 50 10-ounce bars in here. I mean, I don't know, maybe, but I mean, it's pretty heavy. There's definitely a roll of something in there, and then maybe, I don't know. Let's figure this out. Oh, it's really heavy, actually. Let's read this first, right? Oh, it's pretty heavy. That's for sure. Hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can. Oh. Just get the knife again. Here we go. There's 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, 4 rolls, 5 rolls. So this is, pretty sure that's all of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all sealed in the tape. I just want to check, you know, one of them out, because why not? Let's just see if we can open this bad boy up real quick. Oh. And would you look at that? They're super duper hot, that's for sure. All super duper warm. 100 1-ounce coins. This thing, this thing is full. Let's weigh it real quick. Here we go. See if I can carry it with one hand. I'm like, oh. All right, come on. All right, I think the scale is on the floor. Nope, never mind. Alrighty, let's grab the scale out. Okay, then let's see how much it weighs. Oh, this box weighs 34 pounds, 6 ounces. Alrighty, boys and girls. We have, here we go, let me just show this all to you guys. So here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then whatever's in this box. Let's figure it out. Let's open it. If you guys cannot hear my voice very well, that's because the mic faces this way. So when I'm talking like this, it sounds good. When I talk like this, it kind of sounds a little bad. So we're gonna just do my best, all right? Let's go get a knife. Here we go. I've literally been clawing at this thing for like a minute. And there's still like another layer. Arrgh! Let's figure out this. This is like, every single time I try to cut it, it just goes down because of the freaking packing tape. Very good packaging. Very, very good packaging, but yeah, we're gonna figure this out. Here we go. Alrighty, after a couple more minutes, we finally got one corner open. We still have the other freaking 10 corners or whatever. This is hard, but it's gonna be worth it, so we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna set the camera right here for a sec. Actually, we gotta scoot it closer. The fan will make it trippy. There we go. Alright, so just to like go through like my talking process. This is the biggest package I've ever had, or held, to be honest. I'm very excited about it. Okay. Yeah, I cut myself with the scissors on accident. Can't see it, and I'm not allowed to show blood on YouTube anyways. So, yeah. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here is, let's bring some light over here. Okay. One of those things, that's them. Literally. It literally looks like a freaking, I can feel them. There's a bunch in there. Oh my goodness. This right here, the box literally probably weighs like a couple ounces. This right here weighs 30 pounds by itself, so I need both hands. Just real quick. Oh. Okay, there's the box. Scoot over. There's the box, empty, shipped amazingly, or yeah, amazingly, by the way. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay, let's holy, that was loud. Probably shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. That was freaking loud. Alrighty, so I'm not even joking, like this is literally so heavy. It's so heavy. Silver is just so freaking heavy. Let's get this packing list, or let's read this real quick. I like this, whatever this is. Come on. Just do that, or not, whatever. It literally got stuck. It's sticky. Just crumble that up. Hopefully this doesn't have like any personal information on it. We'll just say what's up for a sec. I want to be really careful with it, so we're gonna be really careful with it. Woo! Okay. Whoever packaged this did such a good job, honestly. Okay, we've got one corner of it somewhat open. Sheesh! Look at that. Let's see it. Let's see if we can take one out. Oh, these things are kind of heavy. And there we go. 10 ounces in the little, they're in like plastic. If you see, you can hear it. Very, very, very cool. Let's put this one back. Okay, now let's open the rest. Here we go. Let's do this. Do. That is so many. I really don't want to cut the bags or anything open. Like the... Holy. Look at how many that is. This is so many. Look at this. Then like they got like these little holographic stamps on them. It's pretty dope, actually. Kind of hard to see, but this is very cool. Very, very, very cool. I don't even know. This is just so much. This is so insane. Like, wow. Oh, are they all consecutive numbers? That would be pretty dope. Let's check. Indeed they are. There's only 50 of them, so I feel like we can take them out. Ooh. 50 ounces right there. Boom. There is... When you think of 50 ounces of silver, I mean, this is literally... That's $1,500. When you think of $1,500, you don't think of this. You guys wanna see all the silver? This is what 600 ounces of silver looks like. I mean, it's literally, it's so much. Like even this is just so much. Just one bar. Wow, this is so much. Holy cow. So I'm thinking that we got the numbers. Let's just bring this up to the light. Can you even see these numbers? Alright, we can flip it over and you can see these numbers. Or not, I guess. So, put it down and there you go. Now you can see it. So I'm thinking that we got serial number I, or 1, 052700, all the way up to 50. Or, I don't even know, let's see. 48, 49, 50.
Look, okay, the package weighs so much, it thinks that somebody is literally in the car. It's ringing. Hopefully you guys can hear that. It's literally so heavy, it thinks that somebody's in there. Oh my goodness, that is actually so funny. Alright, I am on my way to the client's house. I'm in my summer getup because it's freaking hot outside. And it's just blazing. Let's see how hot it says. It says it's 113. Usually it's a couple degrees off. Colder, I mean. So it's probably like 116. Yeah, I'm not gonna video like stopping at the person's house and that kind of stuff. I'll probably just like set my camera up and video it. But other than that, yeah, that's about it. This is the first, I mean, you could say the first big deal that I've done. It's all, I mean, it literally arrived today and it's already gone. There's 560 ounces in there of silver, 46 10-ounce bars, and 101 ounce coins, or rounds, or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, that's pretty good. That is, you know, that's pretty great. So, yeah, we're on our way. We are 7 minutes out. And yeah, we got this. Here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna put you guys on the floor just because I'm not supposed to be filming and driving. You can probably see like a little bit of me driving, but yeah, hands free. So we're, let me see, this is the second one. So we are on our way to drop off the silver. And yeah, I mean, I've never been to this person's house. I'm just kidding. Let's see. I believe it is this one. So 1799. There's a star. Beautiful. Alrighty, we're here. Yes. So we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna walk to the door. And we can't really film it, but yeah, we're gonna get this done. Okay, so you guys can't see my face, but you can see like my hands. What's up? How you doing? So we just dropped, ooh, close. Okay, we just dropped the silver package off. Let's see if I can higher this up a little bit. We dropped the silver package off. You guys even see me? Is that better? I don't know if that view is better or if the other view is better. But, so yeah, we dropped the silver off. Should I like scoot up a little bit? So we dropped the silver off. I got some water. And yeah, I think it went pretty well. People were pretty nice, you know. They said I had great customer service. I mean, I did drop it off to their house personally. That was only like 20 minutes away. or something like that. I can't even remember. But yeah, I'm just really excited. So yeah, that was good. That went good. Oh shoot, that's okay. We're just gonna keep you like this, or actually no. Well, this is a stop sign, so we're stopped. So yeah, as long as somebody like comes up behind me or whatever, we're good. So we just dropped it off. Yeah, it was great. It went good. Everything's clear. And now we have the post sale. I'm honestly, I'm gonna. Someone's behind me. Oh, sorry, there's a car. Excuse me. I'm going to, let's see, I have to drop my sister off, but then after that we're good. Sorry, I have to, no, not I have to. So, sorry, I'm driving. I will be probably filming the post sale, kind of just showing you guys how my first, technically, like, really big sale goes. You know, just, I mean, it's my first, like, I've done a few big sales, maybe like $2,000 total, and I sold it all, so I made like a couple $100, maybe $2,500 total, and well, now, I mean, this one is pretty much 10 times as much, so yeah, you know, that's pretty good. We're doing good. This is good. This is fun. Yeah, this is good. We will be doing, I mean, this is great, honestly. I love this. This is so much fun. Buying and selling is just such a fun, like, market, and I think it's like, it's honestly just like a game, and it's just like so much fun. I love it so much, and it's so much fun. But yeah, we're gonna be doing the post sale soon. We got a bunch of stuff. Everything is gonna be priced to sell, you know, to move it, and then the goal is to sell everything and then, you know, get all the money back, or more, I mean more than what I paid for, of course. And then after that, then, you know, we have all that money, then we buy more stuff, but we leave the profit. So let's just say, just to make it easy, let's just say we made $100. I'm gonna make more than $100, but let's just say we made $100 off of 1,000, okay? So 10%, all right, 10% profit, which is, I would say that's like decent. It's not great, it's not awful, it's decent, okay? So what we would do is we'd buy $1,000 worth of stuff, sell it for $1,100, and then put the $100 in like my bank account or whatever, and then buy another $1,000 worth of stuff, and then make 100. So then I'd have 200, then we'd have like 1,200, you know? Do that, you know, 10 times, and I'd have 2,000. Then I could do 2,000 and make $200, you know, kind of just slowly building it up, slowly earning all this kind of stuff. And yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Here we go.